Hi guys, hope you're well. Welcome to WC Autobot, Telegram bot. This is an awesome platform. It's ideal for building your income with cryptocurrency, and the minimum to get started is $50 of the currency you choose. I will go for that in a minute, and it works. At the end of the day, you can either compound it or you can withdraw it. It's up to you. Okay, I'm going to just quickly go through how you make a deposit. It's very easy. Once you download the Telegram app on your phone or your computer or laptop, whatever you're using, okay, what you need to do, you need to click on the join bot link, okay, which should be below this video or be in the actual web page itself, okay. Meanwhile, what you need to do, you need to make a deposit. So first thing you need to do is click on deposits, okay. It gives you 9 options here: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, TRX, Dash, BNB, Sol, or USDT. Up to you. The USDT, make sure you send it on the right and correct network. Okay, it's very important. Okay. For this example, let's say I'm going to make a deposit of say USDT Tether. I'll click on this button here, and it will populate. Okay. There's 3 options here: silver plan, gold plan, premium plan. Okay. Most people, when they start with a silver plan. Okay. This is optional. Most big leaders, they actually put big deposits in, but if you're just about to start, my advice is to test the water out, say for $50, okay, or $100, whatever you can afford. Okay. Once you've clicked on the button which is deposit, it brings you this bit here. As I said earlier on, this is the address you need to send the funds. Once you send the funds in that address, okay, you would be notified within about say half an hour to an hour, sometimes longer, sometimes quicker, depends on the blockchain. Okay. And once you receive it, you can start compounding. The system will compound it automatically. But you can actually reinvest. There's a little button here, but get used to the buttons here. You can actually close the buttons here or open it up if you're not used to it, if you're used to the platform. There's a reinvest button here. You can either auto reinvest, so it compounds until you turn the button off, or you can reinvest manually, up to you, entirely up to you, or you can withdraw. The minimum to withdraw is roughly $50, okay, and the minimum deposit is $50. Okay, so make sure when you deposit, say Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin or whatever currency you're making a deposit, you get paid out in that currency. Okay, all right. So I just want to let you know about that. Let's go back here. Any questions, any answers? There's a FAQ here. Click on that button here. It tells you about the business, what's happening, and all the packages. These are the coins you can actually participate in. Okay, just gives you an idea. So have a good read about it. Okay, always read the information here. Okay, so you get the concept of the business. And there's another little button here, about us button. It tells you about the business, what's happening. Okay, and we do have our own Telegram group as well. Okay, we only accept people who are paid participants, really. But the actual link will be on my YouTube channel or my web page. You have 3 or 4 days to participate in the free Telegram group. But if you're not a paid member, you will be removed. Okay, it's really for paid participants. All right. If you want to build a team, you can do. It's up to you. There's a little team button here. You can build a team. It's up to you. It's optional. Okay. Most people do. Most people don't. Okay. There's a history here. There's a history of your deposits. Okay. So it's all logged for you. All right. So it gives you an idea. But when you actually sign up, my advice is when I go to my page here, okay, you will be brought to this page here, like an opt-in box. Okay, put your name, your email address, and then you'll be automatically directed to this training website, landing page. Please watch the video here. If you're not familiar with Telegram, it tells you how to install it. Testimonials of the business, people who are very happy with the business. Okay, please watch the videos there. And this is the video which I'm doing right now, how to get started. These are the buttons here. Telegram. Okay, you can click on here, and it shows you. There's a video here which shows you how to install Telegram. Okay, if you are in Telegram, I wouldn't bother with this one here. And since the number 2 here is, this is where you kind of activate the bot into your Telegram app. All right. Going down here, this is the little button for the group, our Telegram group. But I did say you have 2 or 3 days before you're active. If you're active, you stay there for whenever. But if you're not active and you're a free member, you will have to be, well, you will be removed, because we only really want some paid participants, okay, within the platform. All right, guys. Meanwhile, thanks so much for watching the video. Really appreciate it. My name's Matt Feast. The link's below the video. Okay. Any questions, any answers, please reach out to me on Facebook or Telegram, or you can actually leave a message in the on YouTube. Okay, and I'll get back to you. If you want a one-to-one chat with me on Zoom, you're more than welcome to. Just send me information who you are, and I'll arrange a meeting with you, a Zoom call, and we can talk about the business. Okay. This here is all my contact details, me, my Telegram, my email, and you can contact me on Facebook as well. All right. Meanwhile, have a great day, and thanks very, very much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Thank you.